Want to know how to create a simple login page or a login form using Cloud? Well, no worries. In this video, we're going to use HTML CSS in order to create a simple login form that you can interact with and you can learn from it too. So let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Claude AI website and you should be under this interface right here. And on the top left side, you should be seeing this plus icon. Just simply click that. It should start up on the chat. And now once you're on the chat box, you can just simply type in this. So you can just simply copy this prompt or style it or customize it by yourself and then select enter. So now once you have selected enter, as you can see right here, your Cloud should start giving you your login page and it should start coding you with HTML CSS as we have given right here. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more these videos. See you in the next one.